Yo, what's up guys, Mike Cass back out with a brand new video, once again posting every single day. I'll try my best. So in today's video it's basically on how I made $2,000 in a day. Well, that's the title, but I actually made like $2,700. On my wallet it says $2,600, but I think I hit like $2,700 that day. I only had a screenshot of 2K, so I don't know, that's what we're gonna that's just what we're gonna run with. So basically, I didn't add with a super big influencer. You guys probably know him, Boonk Gang, whole lot of gang, you know. Yeah, I did it with him, and basically, like, to hit these crazy numbers, it's actually not as hard as you think it is, and you might be overthinking it. No, I did not stack influencers, and stacking influencers is like having, let's say, 3 influencers going up in a day. And shout out to RJ, because that's what he did, and he hit like $500 yesterday, so that's pretty good. So basically, I just used one influencer. I think it's like honestly kind of easier. Like if you find a good influencer, instead of stacking influencers, just do like a giant page. Like this guy was like 5 million, and it did cost me $500 for a story post. So in reality, I made like 2,200 in gross sales that day. Plus fulfilling it, probably I made like 1,000 something. I mean, it's still not bad making 1,000 in a day, but yeah, definitely like goes down and then after tax. So I would say I'll be lucky to get like 1,000, 1,200 after that. So basically, you want to find a winning product that you know for sure. Let's just say the gold rose necklace, for example. I know that was like a hot product. Shout out to Ragov for banking off that, made 25K in a month just off of that one product, drop shipping the product. He was doing like the gold rose necklace. So basically, rather than finding 10 good influencers like what he did on Black Friday, just find one influencer with 10 million followers that maybe has a good following, and of course, like, check if it's legit or something. Honestly, it just saves on the price. It's way more easier. There's only one ad to like make sure it's up, and the comments and all that. And then I also recommend doing story posts. Those work best for me because number one, they're cheaper. Number two, they can just swipe up. That's like the biggest thing with like actual posts. The click-through rate, so basically getting onto your website, is way lower because they have to, you know, click on the profile and then click link in bio. But Instagram stories, they just swipe up and it's cheaper. It's what most people have success with, and it's really underrated. Like nobody honestly talks about it. I mean, like I've seen like some people, like I think like the bigger people that do more revenue, like influencer ads, I think it's all in story. So yeah, honestly, like you just want to find a product that works, and then you have to take a chance because, you know, e-commerce, it's not going to be, you have to take risks. You know, if you're not going to take risks, you might as well just work a 9 to 5. Well, I mean, yeah, you probably should, but no, e-commerce is honestly about taking a risk, and there's no like better time to fail than now, at least for me. And I'm sure you guys watching, 80% of people are in high school, because like I'm under a roof. This is my parents' house and everything. Like when I'm older and I put 90% of my net worth into something, if it fails, like I remember when I was broke, not my parents or anything. I'm saying like me as a kid, I didn't have a job or anything, so technically I was broke, but I was about to pay like $200 for an ad on Supreme Patty, and I FaceTimed him and everything, and it was like my first like big ad, and he had like 900K followers at the time. Now he has like 3 mil. But I FaceTimed him, and then basically I sent him $100 before, and then I also sent him the other 100 after he posted. This was back when they only charged $200 for his story, and then he wasn't like responding for the longest time ever. I eventually, and I'm like, bro, you didn't even respond. Like, I'm only paying you 100. And the funny thing is, I was like, yo, my dad works for the DMCA. You better respond now. And like, the DMCA, I don't even know what that is. And then he got all scared. And then basically and then he posted it. And then I hit like $476 in sales that day, I remember. And then that was that night. Well, he posted at like 5 p.m. It was like sunset, so I think actually like 6 or 7. And then the next day I hit like 300 in sales. So I did around like $700 in sales. Definitely not bad. Obviously, like after taking that risk, if I never took that risk and I just played it off safe, I probably would not have that day. So I made $700 just there. Well, actually in all, I probably made like 500-ish after like fulfilling, because I'm not going to say the product, but it was super cheap and I sold it for a lot. Plus the ad was only $100. So that was definitely good. So yeah, honestly, I think I'm going to wrap up the video here. Just a little note for you guys. Don't stack influencers. Just use a big influencer. Well, I mean, if you can stack big influencers, then it's good. I'm sure, like, leave it in the comments below if you can argue, like, stacking influencers. Like, I've never really done that, but from what works with me, it's just giant people. It's just way easier. It's cheaper. Yeah, that's how Tanner Plains hit, like, 18K in a day from actually stacking influencers. So honestly, I kind of take everything I said back. Nah, I'm joking, but yeah, that's kind of what it is. Just, you know, have a clean ad copy for your video. I would say Yeah, I mean, I pretty much just, yeah, and then to answer the question of the title, how I made whatever, I drop ship, you can search that up, watch my other videos. I think my first video like explains it, but yeah, I did that. It's like basically you see Instagram stories, yeah, that's like people like us. I sell the stuff and the people in China ship it out to you, so yeah. Yeah, that's basically it, and then you guys buy it, and then we get a crazy amount of sales and we get lit and money. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Mike Cast, I don't know what the video is going to be out tomorrow, but obviously I just come up with the video idea on the day, so hope you guys watch tomorrow. You know, I'm out here grinding, posting every single day, bro, because I heard the CPMs are high for business channels. Wait, what? No, but basically, yeah, I'm gonna be posting a lot because I do want to grow like this thing out, and I want to grow my personal brand around e-commerce also, just because I don't know, like I want to help you guys also for free. I'll be doing like free consulting calls. I used to charge like $50, but I'm like, nah, Shane Conrad, shout out to him, he like helps me out for free sometimes, and I kind of realized like, yo, like those type of people are legit, and I like those type of people. So yeah, stay grinding, guys. Leave it in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.